Bear with me with the sound. I'm using my phone, but I'm out in nature. As you can see, here's the James River. This is usually my go-to place for working out or exercising, jogging, connecting with nature. Beautiful sky. Perfect view. I usually cut through the cemetery. It's a big cemetery. Looks like a storm's coming. It's a hot day today. Nice and green. Relaxing meditation sounds of the river. Yeah. And the trail I usually go to goes all down underneath, way down there across the James River, and I turn around, it goes way down there, probably like a few miles, and it's just like a workout. But yeah, this is where I connect with nature pretty much every day. My go-to place. Nice blue clouds, trees, nature. You can feel a good breeze up here too. It's really nice. But yeah, I usually cut right through there to the trail. Yeah, this is what's good about Virginia is it's just in the summertime it's so much green trees everywhere, like patchy green. In the fall it's all colorful with when the leaves change color. It's really nice. But there's just a lot of nature around here, and this is really nice, connecting with the animals, the plants, the trees. It's really nice, but just want to show you that real quick. Talk to you guys later.